Incredible craft by Pakistani local mechanics. Viewers, welcome to my channel, Mechanical Universe. In today's video, the focus is on the fascinating process of straightening an excavator boom. Excavator booms are crucial components of construction equipment, providing the necessary reach and power for digging, lifting, and moving materials. These booms are typically made from high-strength, low-alloy steel, such as A514 or A572 steel, known for their excellent balance of strength, ductility, and weldability. Over time, heavy usage, accidents, or general wear and tear can cause the boom to become curved or deformed, necessitating repairs. In this process, workers begin by preparing to place the boom under the press machine, which is specially designed for straightening excavator boom. The first step is to heat the boom, making it easier to straighten. Heating the metal reduces its internal stresses and increases its malleability, allowing it to be shaped in different directions. This step is crucial because attempting to straighten a cold boom could result in cracks or additional damage. The craftsmen aim to keep costs as low as possible for the customer, so they avoid using expensive machinery and look for cost-effective solutions. For heating, waste rags are placed underneath the boom and set on fire. This method, though unconventional, gradually warms the metal, making it pliable enough for the straightening process. It's a resourceful approach that reflects the craftsman's dedication to minimizing expenses while achieving the desired results. Once the boom is sufficiently heated, it is slowly and carefully positioned under the press machine. The press then applies controlled pressure to straighten the boom. This process must be carried out with precision and patience. Applying too much pressure too quickly can cause the boom to crack or bend in the opposite direction. Therefore, the pressure is increased gradually, ensuring the boom is returned to its original shape without introducing new defects. This heating and pressing cycle is repeated at various points along the boom until the entire piece is straightened. Each section is carefully heated and pressed to ensure uniformity and avoid any residual bends. The craftsman's expertise and attention to detail are critical at this stage, as the process requires a delicate balance of heat and pressure. After achieving the desired straightness, the boom is allowed to cool slowly. Rapid cooling could introduce new stresses or cause warping, so a controlled cooling process is essential. A final inspection is conducted to ensure the boom meets the required specifications and that there are no residual stress points or weaknesses. If any fine adjustments are needed, additional heat and pressure can be applied. Viewers, to understand this process better, I have gathered some detailed information and insights. Let's dive in and explore it together. Stay with me and watch the video until the end to get a comprehensive understanding of the meticulous work involved in straightening an excavator boom. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos on mechanical processes and equipment maintenance. Excavator booms are engineered to withstand significant stresses and are designed with a combination of welded steel plates and reinforcements. This robust construction allows them to handle the heavy loads and dynamic forces encountered during excavation work. The high-strength, low-alloy steel used in these booms offers exceptional durability and resistance to bending and breaking under pressure. The deformation of an excavator boom can occur due to various factors. Prolonged use under heavy loads, accidental impacts, and extreme working conditions can all contribute to a boom becoming bent or curved. Regular inspection and maintenance are essential to identify early signs of deformation and prevent more serious damage. By understanding the common causes of deformation, operators can take preventative measures to extend the lifespan of their equipment. Before beginning the straightening process, a comprehensive inspection of the boom is necessary. This involves both a visual inspection and precise measurements to determine the extent and location of the deformation. Tools such as straight edges, levels, and laser measuring devices are used to accurately assess the curvature. Safety precautions are paramount, requiring the use of protective gear, including gloves, goggles, and fire-resistant clothing. The straightening process starts with heating the deformed section of the boom. An oxyacetylene torch or industrial heat gun is used to gradually apply heat, ensuring even distribution to avoid creating new stress points or cracks. The temperature is carefully monitored, typically maintained around 600 to 800 degrees Celsius for steel, to prevent overheating and damaging the material. Heating the metal reduces its internal stresses and makes it more pliable, facilitating the straightening process. Once the steel is adequately heated, a hydraulic press machine is used to apply controlled pressure. The heated boom is carefully positioned under the press, and pressure is gradually increased to straighten the boom. This process requires precision and patience, as sudden or excessive force can cause additional damage. Throughout this step, gauges and measuring tools are used to monitor the alignment and progress, ensuring the boom is returned to its original shape. After achieving the desired straightness, the boom is allowed to cool slowly to avoid introducing new stresses. A final inspection is conducted to ensure the boom meets the required specifications and that there are no residual stress points or weaknesses. Any necessary fine adjustments can be made using additional heat and pressure. To ensure the boom's integrity and functionality, a stress test is performed to simulate operational conditions, confirming that the boom can handle the expected loads. The final step involves thorough testing and quality control. This includes stress testing under simulated operational conditions to ensure the boom can handle expected loads without further issues. Visual inspections and precise measurements confirm that the boom is properly aligned and free of any residual stresses or weak points. In Pakistan, local mechanics do an amazing job, consistently delivering high-quality work on a budget. These skilled workers have a deep understanding of their trade, often passed down through generations. This knowledge helps them solve complex mechanical issues using limited resources. Their ability to innovate with what they have is truly impressive. For example, the way they heat and straighten excavator booms using cost-effective methods shows their expertise and commitment to providing affordable solutions. Even though they have fewer resources than big, well-funded workshops, Pakistani mechanics maintain a high standard of quality and precision. They're dedicated to their work and handle even the most challenging repairs with care and professionalism. They take pride in finding creative solutions to mechanical problems, often using simple, effective techniques to keep costs low without sacrificing results. This resourcefulness is crucial in Pakistan, where budget constraints can make it difficult to access expensive machinery and tools. By offering top-notch services at a fraction of the cost, these local mechanics play an essential role in their communities. They keep essential equipment running smoothly and economically, which is vital for many people. Their hard work and dedication not only show their technical skills, but also their commitment to customer satisfaction and community welfare. It's important to recognize and appreciate the significant contributions of these talented individuals to mechanical repair and maintenance in Pakistan. Proper maintenance and timely repairs are essential to ensure the longevity and performance of construction equipment. Regular inspections and prompt attention to any signs of wear or deformation can prevent more severe damage and extend the life of the excavator boom. Operators should be trained to recognize early warning signs and understand the importance of routine maintenance. In conclusion, the process of straightening an excavator boom is a meticulous and carefully controlled procedure that restores the boom to its optimal condition. By understanding the materials, causes of deformation, and the detailed steps involved in the straightening process, viewers can appreciate the complexity and importance of maintaining construction equipment. Thank you for joining Mechanical Universe today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos on mechanical processes and equipment maintenance.